Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to open the Duolingo app on your phone or visit the website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and have the latest version of the app installed so you get access to all the new chess features. Step 2. Once you're in Duolingo, look for the Games or Social section at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a Games icon that looks like a controller or game board. Tap on that to access the Gaming Hub where all the multiplayer options live. Step 3. In the Games Hub, you should see a chess option alongside other games like Duolingo Snap and other challenges. Tap on the chess game to open it up, and you'll be taken to the chess lobby where you can see different game modes available. Step 4. To play with a specific friend, look for an option that says Add Friend or Invite Friend. You can search for their username, and once you find them, send them a chess invitation. They'll get a notification and can accept your challenge whenever they're ready. Step 5. After your friend accepts, you'll both be taken to the chess board where you can start playing in real time. The game will alternate turns between you two, and you can make your moves by clicking the pieces you want to move and selecting where you'd like them to go. Have fun and enjoy learning languages while playing chess with your friends.